Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today I am going to be reviewing one of my favorite palettes. This is the Urban Decay Backtalk Palette. Came out about a month or two ago. I was super excited when this came out because it is not only an eye palette, it is a face palette as well. And I love the pink shades. I do also, I really love Urban Decay's eyeshadows. I have a few naked palettes that are some of my all-time favorites. So I have always been a fan of Urban Decay's eyeshadows, and after using this palette for the last few months, I am super happy with it. Like, I love the looks I get out of it. Nice, like, pink, bright looks. You can do a lot of, like, smokier thing. I'm just gonna take this hair out, it's gonna fall. Okay. There's a mirror in there, too. This comes with a mirror, and it's magnetic, and it just pops right out. If you're like me and just drop it all the time. But anyway, so you can do some deeper looks with it, you can do some lighter looks with it, and then the highlight shades are really pretty, and the blushes as well. I have used them all, and I haven't found a shade in this palette that I don't like. So that is super exciting for me because that is not usually the case. Usually there's a few shades I stay away from in palettes, but this one I use the whole thing and I love the whole thing. So today I'm going to be doing this fun pink eye look from this new Backtalk palette. I am also going to be using the blush and the highlights as well and showing you how different things you can do with that, and I am super excited. So if you want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to prime with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Sin. So next I am just going to kind of set my primer and use this as a transition shade, and I'm going to take the shade Backtalk with my Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush. I'm going to just go in all over the lid and then focus it into my crease after. Sometimes do my transition shades all over the lid just to kind of set the primer and hold everything in place, keep it from creasing throughout the day, and it works really well for me. Okay, so next, the mirror keeps popping out. I'm just gonna take it down. Okay. So next, I'm going to go in with the shade Shade with the same domed eyeshadow brush, and I am going to just focus that on my outer corner. And then I'm going to work it just into my crease just a little bit. Not too much though, just really keep building it up in the corner over here. Love the shade. It's so pretty. It's what originally attracted me to the palette in the first place, too. That's how I am with eyeshadow palettes. I'm always like attracted to one or two colors, and then the more I look at it, the more I love the whole thing. So, okay. So next, I'm going to be taking my Body Shop eyeshadow brush, and I am going to be going in with the shade Curve, this nice pink shimmer shade here, and I am just going to be working that all over the center of my lid. Actually, I'm going to get this wet. Okay, so with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting mist, I am just going to spray this. Oh, much better, okay. Okay, so I'm going to clean off that Body Shop brush. And then I am going to go in with the shade 3 Sheets, this lightest shade here. And I am going to go in to my inner corner and work that into my brow bone. Okay, and then I am going to clean off that domed eyeshadow, the Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush again, and I am just going to blend this shade out, the shade out a little bit more. Make sure we have no lines. So I'm going to hold off on my lower lash line for just a moment, and I'm going to go in with my Tarte Sex Kitten liquid mascara liner, my Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner, and I am going to do a nice little wing. Okay, so moving on, I have already done my foundation and bronzer and concealer off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the Backtalk Palette blush and highlighter. So the blushes are Cheap Shot and Double Take, and then the highlights are Low Key and Party Foul. Let's see. I have tried all of these and I do really like them. I was surprised that I really like this orange highlight. I have not gotten super adventurous with my highlights yet, but I really liked it. It gave me a nice soft glow, so I'm gonna have to try more orange highlighters in the future. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade Cheap Shot right here, and I'm using my Real Techniques multi-purpose brush. And I am just going to take that in and then build that up slowly at first. So this you do not need to go in with a super light hand, like some of the other blushes that I use. This one takes a little bit of building to get it to a good color. It's really pretty though. Alrighty, so next I'm going to take my Real Techniques Essential Foundation brush, and I am going to go in with this shade, highlight shade Low Key here. And this is another one. The face side of this palette you do have to build up quite a bit. It's not super pigmented at first. It is once you build it up, but not until then. I really like this. It's just kind of like a nice, soft, subtle glow. I like it because it doesn't look like I just have like a stripe, a shiny stripe down my face, you know? So I am going to go back into the eye side with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to build up the shade Shade on my outer corner a little bit. I think I kind of covered it up with the eyeliner there. Okay, so next I'm going to do my mascara. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. And I am going to use my usual three. I'm going to start with my Ulta Twice as Nice volumizing mascara, and I'm going to go in with the lower lash side. Break the rules a little bit here. Really, it's getting pretty low on product here. I use this all the time. And I am just going to go in on the back side of my upper lashes to cover up any eyeshadow fallout that I missed. I think this makes your eyelashes really pop too, because then people, and I guess I think it makes them really pop too because you still see like black product on the back of them too. It makes them look like fake. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and I am going to build that up on my upper and lower lashes, especially my lower. Oh shoot! I didn't do my lower lash line. Nothing like mascara to remind you that. But what, you forgot. I forget steps all the time and then I have to like go back and redo things. So, alright, so real quickly, I'm going to go in with my Body Shop eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go in with the shade, ooh, okay, put this down. You can see my hair running in there. I'm going to go in with the shade Backtalk and I am just going to drag that along my lower lash line before I put mascara down there. Alright, now that we fixed that, I'm going to continue going in with my Lights Camera Lashes mascara on my bottom lash line. On my bottom lashes, not my lash line. So next I am going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara and I am just going to build that up on the top lashes. This is my favorite. Okay, so I am going to go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist, and I am just going to spray that all over my face. Woo. I say that every time. Always go woo after. Okay. Let's get my hair. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a very natural lip. I am just going to do just lipstick today, and I am going to go in with Tarte's new Rainforest of the Sea Salt Life. I love this shade. It's nice. It's a nice nudie pink shade. Alright, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. I love this Backtalk palette and I hope you do too. It's really, really pretty. I love the pinks in it. I am a huge fan of pink eyeshadow looks. So I was really excited when this came out. Really excited to try it. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!